Understanding idioms. Polish the apple. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms. We're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, polish the apple. Idioms like this one add color and personality to the language, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, let's get started. Polish the apple is an idiom that often refers to the act of trying to impress someone, usually a person in authority, through flattery or other means. Imagine someone polishing an apple until it shines before giving it to their teacher. That's the visual we're working with here. It's all about making a good impression, but sometimes with the implication of having an ulterior motive or trying a bit too hard. The phrase, polish the apple, likely has its roots in American schools, where students would literally polish an apple to give to their teacher. This act was seen as a way to curry favor or get into the teacher's good graces. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond the classroom, now used to describe any act of trying to impress someone, especially to gain a personal advantage. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this idiom. 1. I noticed John was really polishing the apple during the meeting. He complimented the boss on every idea. 2. You don't need to polish the apple with me. Just be honest and tell me what you really think about the project. In these sentences, polish the apple is used to describe someone's attempt to be in someone's good books, either through excessive praise or by trying to make a particularly good impression. There are other idioms with similar meanings that you might find interesting. 1. Brown nose. This means to flatter someone to gain favor, but it's often used in a more negative context. 2. Suck up to. Similar to brown nose, it's about trying to gain favor through flattery, often perceived as insincere. Understanding idioms like polish the apple can really add depth to your comprehension and expression in English. It's not just about the words, but the culture and history behind them. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on this colorful expression. Keep practicing, and you'll be polishing your English skills in no time. See you in the next video.